smoking.
Dude, sometimes my clothes still smell like smoke after, like, even they go through the wash.
Yeah, when I was doing my laundry,
That's
had a
cool.
big whiff.
This is really cool.
So when I can't
That actually is kind of cool with the smoke billowing out of the holes.
like camping.
Which is why I'm recording it.
I can still smell the
No,
smoke.
yeah.
Now get the attic.
Oh!
Make sure that shit doesn't...
Yeah, don't...
Blow it!
Let's not start a forest fire, yeah?
Oh my god.
Oh, dang.
We're totally going to start a forest fire.
104A starts fire in the Devil's Punch Bowl. The devil approves.
Hell comes to you.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, seriously.
There's a